Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful and cute crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover is a handmade protective case for a phone created using crochet techniques with yarn or thread. It can be customized in terms of size, color, design, and embellishments, such as buttons, weights, or appliques. Features of a crochet phone cover: protective, soft but durable. It helps prevent stresses and minor impacts. Customizable. You can make it in any color, pattern, or theme to match personal style. Eco-friendly, often made with sustainable materials like cotton yarn, and with that, unique and personalized, making it a great tie or gift idea. Crocheting a phone cover is a fun and simple project. Here are some tips to help you make a great one. First, choose the right yarn. Use cotton yarn for durability and a snug fit. If you want a softer cover, acrylic or wool yarn works well. Select the right hook size. A smaller hook creates a tighter stitch for better protection. A larger hook makes a looser, stretchier cover. Measure your phone. Make a chain slightly smaller than the phone width to ensure a snug fit. The length should be enough to cover the phone entirely. Use simple stitches, single crochet for a dense and sturdy cover, half double crochet for a slightly textured and flexible cover, slip stitch, aids for a neat finish. Work in the round. Instead of making two panels and sewing them together, you can crochet in the round for a seamless look. Add a flap or button closer. A button hook or snap keeps the phone secure. A drawstring or flap adds extra protection. Customize your design. Stripes, color changes, or embroidery for a unique look. Adjust the strap or turn it into a small crossbody patch. Use textured stitches like wobbly stitch for a decorative touch. Use a tight gauze for protection. A tight stitch pattern helps prevent just from getting in and offers more protection against stresses. If your stitches are too loose, the phone might slip out easily. Reinforce the bottom for durability. Use a double layer or tighter stitches at the bottom to prevent wear and tear. You can even add a small bit of felt or fabric lining for extra strength. Consider adding a lining. A fabric lining inside the crochet case prevents small objects like keys from poking through. Sew a soft fabric like cotton or fleece for extra cushionings. Make it easy slip inside. Instead of a flap, you can crochet a ring top edge, so the phone stays snug inside without needing a button closer. Try elastic yarn or a ribbed stitch for better grip. Try a wrist strap or crossbody strap. Attach a crochet wrist strap to carry it easily. Add a longer strap to turn it into a mini crossbody phone bag. Waterproofing optional. If you want some water resistance, spray a fabric protector on the yarn. Use a plastic lining inside to protect against spills. Make a padded cover for extra protection. Use a thicker yarn or crochet with two strands held together for a cushioned effect. Add a layer of felt or foam inside for shock absorption. Try a fold-over flap for extra security. If you don't want a button closer, make top a little longer so it folds over like an envelope. Secure it with a magnet snap or velcro for easy opening. Add a zipper for a professional look. If you want a more secure closure, sew a zipper at the top instead of using a flap. This prevents the phone from slipping out accidentally. Use a slip stitch yarn for seamless construction. If you are crocheting two panels instead of working in the round, use slip stitches to join them neatly. This creates a neatly invisible shape. As a lock for easy hanging, add a small lock at the top so you can hang your phone case on a hook or a bag. You can even adjust a keyring or carabiner for extra functionality. Use invisible decreases for a safe fit. If you want a fitted design, decreases stitches gradually toward the top using the invisible decreases method. This gives the cover a sleeker look. Make it washable. Use machine washable cotton or acrylic yarn so the case is easy to clean. If using wool, hand wash gently to avoid shrinkage. Personalize with embellishments, add beads, tassels, or small crochet appliques like hearts or flowers. Embroider in details or cute patterns for a custom touch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!